Oh yeah, I'm Andy from Creamer Wishes. This is another Sunday Shave. Come and join me. Oh yeah, it's another Sunday Shave, how are you? You alright? What have you been up to? Anything exciting? No, I think it's very humid today. Well, it is around here anyway. It's quite humid, a lot of traffic about on this Sunday morning as well. I think we'll come and go down to the beach. It's going to be a nice day, I think. Oh, sleep alright? Is it me or is it hot at night? And you're struggling to sleep? Yeah. I thought in the covers, at the covers, in the covers, leg out, leg in, halfway up, halfway down, 12 up to the floor. Like a male menopause, isn't it? Right. I'm going to try a bit of this today. I have used it before. I used it for a while. Okay. What's it in the Bobby Bowl? Let's have a look. What we're going to do. So yeah, hopefully it's all having a go. Just opening it up actually. Hopefully it's all having a go. I did have some that these got open. I can find them. No. I'll probably put it in something. But oh, I hope you smell that. Have a smell. Where's it? Oh, that's really nice. Right. While I'm talking to you, I'll give that 5 minutes or so. So yeah, it's been one of those, isn't it? It's been one of those days, or weeks, for me. Up early for work, and then home early from work, and at the back, and water garden, and things like that. So yeah, just did it a dip. What's this what it is, isn't it? I'll show you the rest in a minute. Probably the wrong way of doing this, but I can't remember how to use, but I didn't know how to use them. Don't use it very often. And the brush is a Micromead. Quite a nice brush, this is from Diddles. Quite a nice brush. I showed the razor in it, and I've done that first, you know. In fact, I'll do that now. What we're going to do is I'm going to use the Qumi and a brand new Panasonic blade. And then put it straight in, and I'll go back to mixing, and I'll sit it in there like that. It's on number 5. I leave that in the water to soak. Just a little bit more water. Got to be careful with this brush, because it will pick up the water. Nice brush, it does pick up water. Like that. Sometimes I should chop it off, don't I? And then put it in, but I'll just scrape it in there. So yeah, I'm going away something nice, you see. The boys are coming out, but who gives a shout? Come see that. I think you can tell this is used right now, I've really up. I really have. I've really up with people. What people do. Right. This is it's like different tones, is it? Oh, nice soapy. Nice soapy soup to it. Nice soapy ones, you know what I mean? A little bit dry, I think. Right. Actually, what's this side? This side, I don't know, the right side. I done my hair yesterday. for not for video purposes, for another purpose, but oh, that's up really well. Do like this, do like the old colour. It's a nice little soap. I know somebody put it on as a dip, didn't you? Sort of compliments. That's a nice little soap, a nice little cut that. The soap is all right, mate. I've seen them pipe it somewhere, and thought I'd leave it alone. But no, I think I'll get in with him. But we work in Milk Manager. I don't know if they work in other places, but they do work in Milk Manager. Right, second pipe will go this way this time. This handle van deze. Het is met een nieuw wezen. Third and final pass will go up. Yeah, I don't normally have stick. I don't normally have stick ones. See if I might I just don't do. I know somebody to swear by them, don't you? Oh, tell you what I did there. Oh, alright. That's another size. Absolutely superb. Alright. So what? Something like that. Alright. I'm getting handsomer by the day. Right, I'm gonna wash this off. I'm gonna move on to the second part. Didn't tell me. I should have done that, shouldn't I? Maybe for all my videos. Just if I change the channel. and what they. And that might have been a bit of fun, wasn't it? You also, right. Well, it's a bit undercast, man. It's sunny, eh? Coffee. Nescafe. One with pouch of what is milk and sugar all right in it. And I do like a little bit of honey. Right. We'll close. Strange combination. We'll close. And their names are aftershave bar. Absolutely, there's no sense to this at all. Look, mash it with whatever you want, mash it with. Oh, man. That is smooth. We've got a couple of minutes since I in. Right, so I'm in. Let's say I've said balm, I'll put some moisturiser on as well. Put the shadow here, shadow. Better fall behind you. Right. Oh. So what we're up to this week, ain't it? Work. Retired, have we ever retired? What it is? Yeah? What did you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Check in the comments at the bottom. What do you do for a living? I'll start off. I'm maintenance, that's all I've ever done in my life, maintenance in a care home. So, fixing doors, lights, cutting glass, putting parts in, taking parts out, putting blinds up, putting blinds down, unblocking toilets, blocking toilets, unblocking toilets, things like that. That's what I do. But I've done that all my life, so. I'll put some more kinds of moisturiser on. Not possible, but I've got the door shut today. I went to the video last week. Oh, what a noise. So, it took me shut up and end the video. And once I've done the video, I was playing and that noise. So I shut the door today, and I thought I'll shut it. And hopefully they won't quickly come up and make a noise. Because what happens is a puppy, I call him a puppy, he's not a puppy anymore, but he's a puppy size. I thought when he comes up and sits up here and the other one goes, where's everybody on? I thought I was barking and kicking off, so. Yeah, sorry. Actually, that Wilko's Men's moisturiser. It's not bad stuff, it's about, it's like the aftershave balm, it's about 50p pounds, something like £2 at the most. Really nice, really nice. It's one of those moisturisers that, but you know, it's really nice. I think it's a barber, not with this trimmed off. I want to get a proper massage then. I can't have anything there up, but I can have like the neck down, and things like that. Do some my neck and things like that, but yeah, I just thought I'd have something a little bit different. Have a neck down massage, or my feet done. Is one of these like your feet done? Massage? One of these my feet. Sorry, I just said that. It's the 4711. Do you remember 4711? Do you remember those shops? Usually. I know they're still going in some places, I think they're still going in Melbourne. Actually, I'm not too bad. But I actually heart isn't too bad. Yeah, no, I know they're going in America, 7-Eleven. But I'm not able to turned into over there, I think they just shut. I think there's a couple in London. There might be a couple in London, but I don't think there's been outskirts and towns and things like that. But yeah, no, I remember when they first opened. Oh, well, the shop opens at 7 o'clock. Not knowing that the little corner shop, opens at about 5 o'clock, I remember. But no, those open at 7. Oh, they're shut at 11, we can pop in from the pub. they move their chassis or hot boxes, you put their food in microwave, didn't you? It's the first time, oh yeah, but you put the microwave. Now they go microwave burgers. Sorry, it's a bit microwave burgers. They feel a bit rubbery to me. Right. Let's stop all this. Let's undo what I've used. We're starting off using I don't know. I should have put these. I should find something to do with this. Yeah. Archo. Nice little stuff. Got a soapy smell to it. It's really nice. It's really tight. It perfect up. It's really nice. Bus wise. Little quick rinse. Bus wise, we have. I'm not sure what this is like range. I noticed I didn't have the bird yet, the right way over there. It comes from Usos. They have a set. Bobby Bowl. Love the bowl. Do like that bowl. Do like that bowl. We have, let's do that one. The Razor is a Crusade with a, I can't remember the name of the Razor, I've just mentioned it as well. Persona. Yeah, Persona blade. Oh, I quite like it, especially that one. That works quite well. Then I went over to, I'm not feeling as fuzzy today, am I? The Walko's aftershave balm. Now I haven't got a scent to it, it's just got matte shit, that's what it is, and this hasn't really got a scent to it either. And that's a men's moisturiser. From Walko's as well. As I say, they're not expensive, but they're not too cheap, they're not like a penny or something. And then we went over to the Secretary 11 aftershave. Really nice stuff. That's go well with the Archo. I find it goes well with the Archo. It might be completely wrong, but I find it goes well with the Archo. Right. And then, so I'm trying the beers up. That. Well, I'm using Bulldog. And then there's no beer spray. Bit of oil. Use here. Oh, a little comb, I think that's as easy as I do. So I can't get this here patch. Right, it's a bit like that. Got to feed my mind now. Right. This bit is pretty nothing, isn't it? Comes with scissors as well, that. From that box, I Walko's, Walko's pack. Walko's, a visual pack. Little pack with a box and that. It put those the bus up separately. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's have a quick coffee. And we'll have a final rundown of what we've done. What you've seen all that. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have, I say to you, you'll keep me channel going. If you haven't, subscribe. It's a lazy Sunday, we have a laugh, a bit of a joke. It's supposed to be quite quiet, isn't it? I'm on Facebook, and Queen Wishes. If you want to comment on doing it underneath, but underneath on this, my channel, you've got to know about Archo or the Crusade or the Persona Razors, Blades or the Walko stuff. Give me a shout, we'll have a chat. I haven't looked across a problem. Right, I'm out of here. I will speak to you, I'm just going to put this down. I will speak to you next Sunday, same time, same place. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and if you do, don't get caught. I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.